So this damage to the log was the most tricky one. The part that I cut away was damaged by termites, I think. In Sweden we call it hästmyror, horse ants. This is how the log looks like. Totally damaged, totally eaten by the termites. So what I did was that I took out a new part from an old log. This log is in the same age area as the logs on the cabin. So I took out a piece and trimmed it down to the right dimensions, and I cut off half of the thickness on both sides. And then on the log on the cabin I took out half the thickness on that log on both sides, and my new piece will then fit in this place. And by doing that I don't have to lift up the logs and repair it by lifting up part of the cabin. When I start this repairing, I thought this damage was the only damaged part by termites. But later on I discovered that the lowest log is damaged on the inside by moisture, I think. So it's a part of 1.5 meter, and I don't know how thick the damage is yet. So when I'm done with this, I have to cut out a piece of the lowest log and replace that also with a new part.